Okay, in this video, we're going to look at a really easy thing that you need to be able to do, and that is spell check. So let's say you've done an animation, you've done a PowerPoint, you've got everything you want, and you spelled something wrong, or you're not sure on the spellings or something. So a bit of things that's being correct in there. So just quickly go to review and spelling, and then it goes through your stuff. So, oh, that's wrong, I should have said scarves. So click that, spell check's complete, it's all changed. You can also press F7 on your keyboard, and obviously I have nothing to check, so just keep it says spell check is complete, but F7 is also the keyboard shortcut for that. You can do find and replace like normal, so you can find, find which side I talked about France, and then I actually meant to put Germany, so I can replace, and it goes and does that. So it's very similar. In fact, it's exactly the same as Microsoft Word, but you may have to check. You might get an exam question where you've got to check. So it's really useful that you just go to review, you press a spell check, and it's done. Nice, quick and cheerful one. And I'll see you in the next one.